Hi, hello, Vanakkam. Do you know who is goddess Chandraghanta? She is known as the destroyer of demons. On the third day of Navaratri, Mother Divine takes the form of Chandraghanta. On her forehead is a crescent moon that looks like a bell in a temple. Devotees pray to Devi during Navaratri and offer milk, sweets, and kheer while performing pujas. Goddess Chandraghanta's complexion is golden and she has 10 hands. In many, she is holding weapons. Those are trident, mace, spear, bow, arrow, discus, and sword. In other, she is holding a lotus, sacred pot, and a bell. One of her hand is in a blessing mudra. On her forehead, she has a crescent moon shaped like a bell. Her third eye, also situated in the middle of her forehead, is always open. She is depicted riding a lion or tiger. How Chandraghanta represents? Chandraghanta Devi is the personification of beauty, charm, and grace. She is very manifestation of all the things we find beautiful in life. It is the energy of Mother Divine that attracts us. The open third eye signifies the awakening of consciousness. She blesses those who pray to her, protecting them from harm's way. At the same time, her form is meant to evoke fear. As she wields multiple weapons, it symbolizes her readiness to go to war with demons. In other words, she helps eliminate our negative feelings and fights injustice, misery, and suffering in the world. She is a symbol of bravery and courage as the lion she is riding represent. So the Devi may be kind and fierce at the same time as the occasion demands. Legend behind why Devi took the form of Chandraghanta. Parvati Devi, daughter of mountain king Himavan and Meenavati, had done severe penance to attain Lord Shiva as her husband. At this time, Shiva, who had lost his first wife, Sati, had retired to the mountains to mourn her. However, he was impressed by Parvati's steadfast devotion and agreed to come out of his mourning and marry her. Parvati was in fact Sati reincarnated. However, when he visited Parvati's house, his form was frightening. He had ashes smeared all over his body, had matted hair, and wore a garland of skulls and snakes around his neck. His wedding procession was also terrifying, with ghosts, ghouls, and agouris accompanying him, along with gods and sages. Parvati's family and friends were shocked on seeing this form of Lord and his fearsome company. Consequently, many fainted. To protect her family, Parvati took on the equally frightening form of Chandraghanta to persuade Lord Shiva to appear in a more attractive and appealing form. Lord Shiva relented and appeared as a prince bedecked with jewels. Confident with this form of the Lord, Goddess Parvati revived her family and friends and married the Lord in a grand ceremony that we celebrate as Shivaratri every year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to leave a comments below.